Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Since the lockdown is lifted, I have seen people engaging in some small house parties. So I decided to create a summer party look for you all. And for that I have created this green and champagne gold glittery half cut crease eye look. This is something very new to me. I have never done such a look in my channel before. And I have hooded eyes. So along the way, I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to create a perfect half cut crease look on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this NYX Tame Frame Brow Pomade in the shade Black, and I am drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe Jeffree Star collection. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Age Dewy Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Though this step is not necessary on a day-to-day basis, but whenever you are doing a full glam party look, I always suggest you to follow this step. It makes a huge difference on the way your brows look, and this way your brows just stand out even more. Now I'm taking this E.L.F. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm applying it as my eyeshadow primer. And then I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge from EcoTools. So this concealer is way too light for me. I cannot use it on my face as my concealer. So I like to use it on my eyelids as my eyeshadow primer. Now I'm taking this Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer before it starts to crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Nate from my Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and it's a beautiful parrot green color, and with this crease brush from E.L.F. Cosmetics, I'm applying it slightly above my crease. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, and I'm just building up the pigmentation to avoid any kind of patchiness. This particular shade is way too pigmented, and if you take a lot of product at a time, then it may become hard to blend. Now I'm taking Wake and Bake. It's a beautiful like yellowish green shade, and with this blending brush again from Morphe x Jeffree Star collaboration, I'm just blending out the edges to achieve that smooth transition. With a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out everything again to have that nice gradient effect. Now with a concealer, I am just cutting my crease, and you can see I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual because I am creating a new crease for me. If you have hooded eyes and if you are doing a cut crease, then place the concealer a little bit higher. And I'm using small strokes to avoid any mistake. I'm just reapplying the concealer. I'm taking Designer Label. It's a beautiful like shimmery champagne kind of a color, and I'm applying it on top of the concealer, and for that I'm using a flat brush again from Morphe x Jeffree Star collaboration. Taking the parrot green shade, I am applying it on my outer V area, and at the same time I'm blending it out with the champagne shade that I applied on my eyelid to create a nice gradient effect. Now I'm taking this pressed glitter called Millions, and I'm applying it on top of the champagne gold color. You can totally skip this step, but I was itching to try this pressed glitter and it was stunning. Taking the shade Net, I'm applying it on the border of my cut crease to make it look even prominent. Now taking my NYX eyeliner, I am just creating a nice wing here. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I'll return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I'm using this E.L.F. Jelly for Pop Primer, and I'm priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago, and this primer is beautiful. It gives your face a little bit of tackiness, and your foundation just grips to it, and your foundation becomes long lasting. For color correcting, I'm using this E.L.F. orange color corrector, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots, and dark circles. It will just help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation will not look grey in color. Now I'm just blending it out using a highlighter brush from Real Techniques. I love to use this brush for my color correctors as well as for my cream contour. For my foundation, I am going with this Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in the shade 07 or 7.0, and I'm just buffing it in using a damp beauty sponge. This foundation is very long lasting, very full coverage, but if you apply way too much of this foundation, then it may become cakey because it is a full matte and thick kind of foundation. So do not use 2 layers, just try to use 1 layer, and it will give you a nice and decent coverage. And another drawback about this foundation is it does oxidize. It oxidizes almost immediately, so you have to be really careful while picking up your own shade. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. And I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. Always blend out your highlighting concealer nicely, otherwise it may look like a straight white mark and it does not look cute. So always take your time and blend out your highlighting concealer nicely, and just stamp your sponge, do not rub it. It's a beautiful concealer. You can see it blends easily. It gives you a very nice coverage. Now I'm taking the same Coty Airspun loose powder, and I'm setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines with the same damp beauty sponge. This is my most preferred way for setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Universal Matte finishing powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. This powder gives your face a nice airbrushed look. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, I'm taking my Jordan Easy Liner eye pencil in the shade Jet Black, and I'm just tight lining my eyes. You can use any gel eyeliner or any kajal pencil that you have. Taking the shade Net, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line just to tie the look together. Now I'm taking the lid shade called Designer Label, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using a small brush, again from Jeffree Star collaboration. This is a stunning inner corner and brow bone highlighter. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Volume Express Mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with my Kiss lashes in the style Gala. These are stunning. And here is the final look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It was pretty different for me, but I was really happy with the outcome. I'm going to finish my face makeup. For that, I'm taking this Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using an angled brush from Wet n Wild. This particular bronzer has a very nice grayish undertone to it, and it is perfect for contouring. It also has some kind of warmth in it, which is perfect for my skin tone. I'm using an eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. For bronzing up my face, I'm going with this Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to have that nice sun-kissed look. For my blush, I'm going with this L.A.Girl Island Hottie Blush Palette, and I'm mixing all those shades together and I'm applying it on my cheeks using this Flower Beauty blush brush. And I'm also applying the blush on my chin as well as on my nose to have that sun-kissed look. For my highlighter, I'm going with this E.L.F Metallic Flare Highlighter in the shade White Gold, and with this setting brush from Real Techniques, I'm hitting the high points of my face. This is a stunning highlighter. It is not like way too blinding. You have to build it up to achieve that blinding effect, but it just melts right onto my skin. It does not emphasize any texture. Such a stunning product. I'm taking this NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. For my lips, I'm lining my lips using this NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso or Espresso, I believe. I will mention the shade in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. For my lipstick, I'm using this Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in the shade 1993. Such a stunning, beautiful, like brownish nude shade. It's perfect for my skin tone. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. It's so summery, so vibrant. I just love creating colorful looks. It just makes me really happy. So please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And as always, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products and their purchase link in the description bar down below, so please do check that out as well. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.